Welcome to GetMyPair, the digital rack for every pair of footwear you own. Consumers today are buying more footwear than ever, leading to improper care and shorter product lifespans, ultimately contributing to increased waste. This presents a significant challenge, the gap that matters. We see a gap in digital trust for purchasing, a lack of understanding regarding proper maintenance, and a need for transparency in the footwear recycling and donation processes. Why does this matter now? India's footwear market is expanding fast, with strong growth projected through 2033, which means more shoes in circulation and more need for post-purchase management. Consumers are buying more categories of footwear, so ownership is becoming more complex and harder to track manually. Repair is already common in India, but it remains mostly offline and fragmented, leaving room for a digital layer to simplify discovery, pickup, and tracking. Sneaker resale and circular consumption are becoming mainstream among younger buyers, showing that people are willing to treat footwear as something with resale value, not just a one-time purchase. Urban consumers now expect convenience, and they are far more likely to use an app if it helps them manage pickup/drop, repair status, and resale in one flow, instead of multiple separate vendors. India has a strong base of local cobblers and repair workers. GetMyPair provides the edge that redefines the entire footwear experience. We design for the full life cycle of the user, from babies to the elderly, making the platform relevant for families and multi-generational households, not just individual shoppers. We aim to own the complete life cycle of every pair of footwear. So how does it work?
First, scan your feet. Unlock your fit. Kicks, your AI companion, uses AR foot scanning to capture a detailed 3D model, creating a precise digital last, your Fit ID, across brands.
Easily upload your existing shoes and organize them into your personal digital rack. GetMyPair covers you for washing, maintenance, and repair. GetMyPair handles selling, donating, and recycling, allowing you to earn carbon credit. GetMyPair facilitates renting, wearing, and returning. Style Me Up acts as your personal stylist, helping you pick, pair, and perfect your look. Because every pair deserves care. GetMyPair fix soles, stitching, heels, zips, and other damage through expert repair services. GetMyPair keeps shoes performing and looking their best, with regular cleaning, polishing, conditioning, and protection. GetMyPair refresh footwear, with professional wash and deep clean services tailored to different materials. DIY Solutions access step-by-step videos and practical articles for quick fixes, care tips, and at-home maintenance. GetMyPair gives users the flexibility to schedule footwear pickup for added convenience or drop their footwear off at a nearby cobbler. Give every pair a new story. GetMyPair provides options to sell or donate your shoes, ensuring a seamless and efficient process. We didn't guess, we dug up. In developing our approach, we focused on evidence-based insights. Atrex, Safe Size, Brooks, True Fit, and Volumental focus primarily on sizing and fit. Goat addresses resale and authentication, while Reshoe VN8 and Cloverly are more focused on repair and circular use cases. Patch sits in the personalized product and fit space, but the overall journey still remains fragmented across different platforms. Insights show that users want to focus on keeping shoes in good shape, good fitting shoes, donation, and organizing, while buying footwear users emphasize on correct size and fit. Furthermore, a significant 65% of respondents confirmed they would prefer an app that helps them find the right footwear for them. Currently, users donate or discard the footwear that they no longer use, but aren't confident if the donated footwear is actually being reused or recycled. So users are interested in an app that helps them donate or sell the right way. We've struck the right balance with the features we brainstormed, and users are genuinely excited to use them all. Finally, the majority of respondents, 75%, expressed a desire for a virtual try-on feature.
So, who's ready to get my pair today?